Welcome to the Walkaway Awards presentation night. Walkaway Awards are, as the name suggests, grateful recognition for journalists turning their backs and walking away from truthful news and current affairs reporting for the sole purpose of keeping their overpaid jobs and puffed up public profiles. Tonight's winners are distinguished as the highest paid pharmaceutical drug shills and unfettered propagandists in media history, earning the coveted CIA citation for sycophants of the century. This grovelling servitude is greatly appreciated by the malevolent criminal corporations running the show, backed up by the forces of undiluted evil that will, in the fullness of time, rightfully claim the misbegotten souls that traded their humanity for journalism, job security, and media celebrity. Your malicious criminal overlords applaud the skillful avoidance of truthful reporting, the obscuring of facts, and the unremitting spin that's now actually recognised as a virtue in this handcrafted corporate Hades. Without the 100% mainstream media compliance, the abominable military-industrial complex wouldn't be able to wage the illegal wars of occupation and invasion of sovereign nations, or get away with the medically prescribed wholesale slaughter of pharmaceutical drugs, and of course very much more besides. The staggering death toll from these two aspects alone allows evil to flourish unchecked around the globe, so tonight pure evil pays tribute to all the gutless journalists, shills and toadies who make it possible through their unquestioning compliance and full cooperation. I mean, if the slightest glimmer of truth breached the surface in mainstream media, the gang would be up quick smart. So the amassed forces of darkness pay lasting tribute to your stonewalling efforts. Among the more outstanding media manipulation achievements is the suppression of clean, non-polluting and cost-free energy and propulsion systems known and understood for many decades. This ruthless suppression has permitted the redundant hydrocarbon industry to pollute the planet to the brink of extinction. A measure of the scale of this phenomenal deception is to cite all the amazing advantages in technology across the board. Yet you still blindside the public into accepting centuries-old internal combustion and perilous nuclear energy as the only way to go. Now that's clever. Another magnificent walkaway media fraud is the ongoing suppression of the many cheap and effective cancer cures that have been readily available since the 1930s, yet, thanks to the obsequious media collusion and blatant government corruption, actually remain illegal. Now that takes some beating. I mean, when you consider decades of countless victims that could have been effortlessly cured, but instead were barbarously tortured to death for the massive profit of Big Pharma, the pivotal role of mainstream media in this effort must be acknowledged. Well, the demons in hell get a huge belly laugh from all the duped cancer charities who, in actual fact, contribute to this devilishly cunning deception. So too with the vicious hopes of vaccines, that in total disregard of the ever-amassing proof of harm, the shills gathered here tonight maintain solid denial by forever attacking the messenger and totally avoiding and discrediting the actual science. Great subterfuge, so keep up the skillful truth-dodging and continue giving the grossly biased coverage to the drug-funded hate groups. Just a note of caution here, in that we do recognise a growing push for truth sees increased pressure on exposing the murderous vaccine fraud, but we confidently feel all you meekly compliant shills gathered here at the Walkaway Awards will ruthlessly stomp on the very freedom of speech you convincingly fake supporting and maintain the viciously cruel falsehood of vaccine safety. Vaccine-inflicted sudden death infant syndrome is becoming increasingly harder to keep a lid on. So just keep tirelessly repeating the mantra, safe and effective, over and over, while being meticulously careful to avoid any form of honest public debate or allowing the public to see even a smattering of the actual science. That would be a disaster of epic proportions that probably couldn't be contained, so plug the dam of dishonesty and dutifully keep your broadcasts and broadsheet pages to the corporate script. In this regard, special thanks go to the bubbling buffoons of breakfast television, since the gullible public fully trust and believe in these skillfully managed muppets. Just keep spoon-feeding your viewers the sludge pap of never-ending sport, sickening war footage and reality TV. It works every time. Congratulations also go to the ruinous biotech industries with their toxic GMOs, the ecocidal criminal insanity of fracking, along with the lethal pseudoscience of psychiatry. Now, psychiatry boasts over 300 or more phony mental disorders exclusively invented to facilitate massive profit from lethal drugs. Now, the evil genius behind this must be acknowledged, since none of these so-called disorders have any defining physical diagnostic tests. None! There's no blood and urine tests, no brain scans, no genetic evaluations whatsoever. It's a joke. Now, this transparent scam would be effortlessly exposed if any one of the shills gathered here tonight had a sudden attack of conscience or an unexpected resurgence of human values. With that in mind, just remember who pays your bloated salaries, and the only reason you exist is to distort and pervert the truth at all costs. Of course, you're still free to report all the inconsequential celebrity fluff and sordid political sex scandals that you want, so long as you don't go anywhere near the known child trafficking and the satanic pedophilia of the ruling elite. That's another no-go area, as you fully and fawningly appreciate. Well done to the sustained effort of never once reporting or exposing the many false flag and fake terrorism events. We're aware that an ever-increasing number of these have been irretrievably exposed, but mainstream media remains staunched in distraction and denial, for which your evil paymasters are genuinely grateful. Now, we know some of you are becoming nervous at the looming threat of citizen journalism. Well, yes, it is a concern, since the exponential rise of unfunded, independent internet, YouTube and Vimeo citizen news channels are ripping holes in our mainstream media fabric of deceit. But we are working on it, so don't be too alarmed. So tonight, sit back and enjoy the lavish food and entertainment, and don't give a thought to the countless lives ruined and destroyed by your betrayal of real journalism. Just focus upon your staged managed prestige and the plentiful money, because here at the Walkaway Awards, that's what really counts. However, in closing, I should issue a word of warning to any of you who might be scared into whistleblowing or going into bat for the truthers. It's too late. You sold yourselves to the dark side the moment you turned your backs on truthful news and current affairs reporting, so just remember, evil owns you. Enjoy your evening.